Well, students, topic of the video is vector. This is second video on vector. In this video discuss projection of vector. The projection of vector, you see that this one vector, this one another vector, two co-initial vector. This one is a vector and this one is b vector. We have to find projection of a upon b. Projection of a upon b. Sometimes we have to say projection of vector, value of or magnitude of the projection of the vector, and sometimes direction with direction of the vector. Projection of a upon b is equals to projection of a upon b vector, or projection of a vector along b vector, meaning both of the meaning same. Projection of a upon b is, this one is projection, this one is angle between the vectors a vector and b vector, and co-initial vector o is initial point. So projection of a along b is modulus of a cos theta. This is the magnitude. Here modulus of a is scalar part, cos theta is also scalar part, and so magnitude is modulus of a vector, cos theta is a vector dot b vector by modulus of a vector by modulus of b vector. By cancellation these two, this one becomes a vector dot b vector by modulus of b vector. This is magnitude of projection of a along b or in the direction of b. And if we have to find the in the with direction or the projection vector, then we have to find modulus of a cos theta is magnitude, and within the direction of b, in the direction of means we have to take b cap. So b cap cos theta is a vector dot b vector by modulus of a vector by modulus of b vector. B cap is equals to b vector by modulus of b vector. By cancellation these two, here a vector dot b vector by modulus of b vector square into b vector. Now here this part is scalar and this was the vector part of projection vector of a along b, or projection vector of a upon b, whatever you will cells. The next sum is given a vector is I minus 2j and b vector is j plus k. Find the component of a along b. Now students, you see that the component of a along b or projection of a along b or projection vector of a upon b, all the terms are same. So find the component of a along b. This is the diagram. So component of a along b is mod a cos theta to b cap. Why b cap? Because in the direction of b or along b, so we have to take unit vector of b. If someone is say to find the distance between or the length of the board by this cap, so this one is unit vector. Similarly, we have to find modulus of a cos theta in the direction of b, or means in the along the b, so we have to take unit vector of b. By cancellation these vectors, because modulus of A is a scalar quantity, this one is also scalar quantity, two scalar quantity cancel each other. So A vector dot B vector by modulus of B vector square into B vector. Now A vector dot B vector is equals to I minus 2j dot j plus k is equals to I, that one can be written as I cap minus 2j cap plus 0 k cap dot 0 I plus j plus k. So 1 into 0, this one is 0, minus 2 into 1, this one is minus 2, plus 0 into 1, this one is 0. So final become minus 2. And modulus of B is equals to square root of 1 square plus 1 square. Actually this one is 0 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So this one is root 2. So A dot B is minus 2 and mod B is root 2. So projection of A upon B is equals to minus 2 by root 2 B vector. B vector is J plus K. So root 2 cancel each other. So final answer is minus root 2 j cap minus root 2 k cap. Next sum is find the projection of B vector is equals to 3i minus j cap along A vector j minus 3k cap. So they are co-initial vector. This one is B vector and this one is A vector, and this one is perpendicular line drop from B to A. This one is angle between them, A vector and B vector is theta. So projection of B along A is equals to modulus of B vector cos theta. Now cos theta is equals to modulus of B vector dot A vector by mod B mod A. By cancellation these two, this one is B vector dot A vector by modulus of A vector. This one is magnitude, and you have to find direction with direction. Then modulus of B cos theta A cap. This one becomes B dot A vector by mod A vector, because mod B cos theta equals to B dot A by mod A. So this one, and A cap is equals to A vector by modulus of A vector. So B dot A vector by modulus of A vector, modulus of A vector square A vector. Now B vector dot A vector is equals to 3i minus j dot j minus 3k. Actually this one can be written as 3i cap minus j cap plus 0 k cap dot 0 I plus j minus 3 k cap. So 3 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1 plus 0 into minus 3. So this one is minus 1, and modulus of A vector is A vector is j plus 3, 0i plus 0j. This one written as 0i plus j minus 3k. So 0 square plus 1 square plus minus 3 square. So root 10. So this one becomes minus 1 by root 10. A vector is j vector, j cap minus 3k cap. So this one becomes minus 1 by root 10 j cap plus 3 by root 10 k cap. This is the final answer. And you have to find magnitude. Then from the value b dot a is minus 1 and mod a is root over 0 square plus 1 square minus 3 square. This one is root 10, so minus 1 by root 10, and taken modulus also, then value is 1 by root 10. This one magnitude and this one is vector. In the next video on this topic we discuss formulas and sums on vector.